What if I told you that some of the foods you eat every single day, foods that look innocent, maybe even comforting, are secretly fueling your anxiety and depression? Millions of people struggle with mental health issues, often without realizing that their diet could be one of the biggest hidden triggers. You might be drinking your morning coffee, reaching for a quick snack, or grabbing fast food on the way home, not knowing that these habits are rewiring your brain chemistry, spiking your stress hormones, and robbing your happiness. Stay tuned, because in this video, we'll uncover the 7 deadly foods that silently worsen anxiety and depression. And most importantly, I'll share healthier alternatives that can help you regain balance, calm, and peace of mind. The last one might shock you, because most people eat it every single day. Asterisk? Welcome to Health and Wellness Integrated Services, where we uncover powerful health tips backed by science. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss our weekly videos on natural health, nutrition, and mental wellness. Before we dive in, let's understand the big picture. According to the World Health Organization, depression is now the leading cause of disability worldwide. Anxiety disorders affect more than 300 million people globally. And while therapy and medication play a huge role in treatment, nutrition is often overlooked, even though science shows that what you eat directly affects your brain chemistry. Think of your brain as a high-performance engine. Feed it the wrong fuel, and it sputters, stalls, or even breaks down. But feed it the right nutrients, and it runs smoothly. Let's now look at the 7 foods that act like toxic fuel for your brain. Number 7. Sugar and unrefined carbohydrates. When it comes to understanding the connection between diet and mental health, sugar and unrefined carbohydrates deserve special attention. These dietary culprits are notorious for their detrimental effects on both anxiety and depression. Picture this. You've just enjoyed a delicious slice of cake or a bowl of sugary cereal. The initial euphoria is undeniable. However, this is quickly followed by an energy crash that leaves you feeling sluggish and irritable. This roller coaster ride of blood sugar levels can wreak havoc on your mood, intensifying feelings of anxiety and depression. But how does this work exactly? Well, let's break it down. When you consume sugar or unrefined carbohydrates, your body experiences a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This triggers an insulin release from the pancreas, which works to bring those levels back down. As insulin surges through your bloodstream, it can cause the depletion of essential nutrients such as zinc, magnesium, and B vitamins. Zinc is crucial for neurotransmitter production, including serotonin, which plays a vital role in mood regulation. Magnesium is known for its calming properties and helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol. B vitamins are essential for overall brain health and energy production. So when these nutrients are depleted due to high insulin levels, it can disrupt the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in your brain. The result, heightened feelings of anxiety and depression. It's important to note that not all carbohydrates are created equal. Complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provides a more sustained source of energy. On the other hand, simple sugars and refined carbohydrates such as white bread and processed foods lack fiber and are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to those harmful blood sugar spikes. To mitigate the negative effects of sugar and unrefined carbohydrates on your mental health, it's crucial to monitor your intake of these substances. Reading food labels, understanding the glycemic index of foods, and choosing complex carbohydrates over refined options can make a significant difference. By making informed choices, you can better manage your anxiety and depression symptoms while nourishing your body and mind. Remember, knowledge is power, and every step you take towards a healthier diet is a step towards a better mental well-being. Number 6. Fried and processed foods. Picture this: you're enjoying a crispy fried meal or indulging in a convenient processed food, completely unaware of the potential impact it may have on your mental well-being. Well, did you know that these seemingly harmless culinary delights can actually be detrimental to your emotional health? Fried and processed foods often contain high levels of unhealthy fats, trans fats, and artificial ingredients that can negatively affect your mental well-being. Let's break down why these foods can be detrimental to your emotional health. First and foremost, fried foods are typically cooked in unhealthy fats or oils that can contribute to inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to an increased risk of mental health issues, including depression and anxiety. Trans fats, commonly found in processed foods, have been shown to disrupt the delicate balance of brain chemicals, further exacerbating anxiety symptoms. Additionally, the high levels of sodium present in many processed foods can affect your body's fluid balance and potentially impact your mood. Research has shown that consuming excessive amounts of salt can lead to an increase in blood pressure, which has been associated with heightened anxiety levels. But it doesn't end there. The artificial ingredients, including artificial colors, flavors, and preservatives used in processed foods, have also raised concerns. Studies have suggested that these synthetic substances may have negative effects on brain function and behavior, potentially contributing to mood disorders. For example, some research has indicated that artificial colorings may have a detrimental impact on children's mental health, increasing the risk of hyperactivity and attention deficits. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of artificial ingredients on adult mental health, it's prudent to exercise caution and minimize their consumption. To protect your mental well-being, it is crucial to be mindful of the types of fats you consume and the ingredients in the foods you eat. Opting for healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling, or air frying can help reduce the intake of unhealthy fats. Additionally, reading food labels and choosing products with minimal or no artificial ingredients can make a significant difference. By making informed choices, you can better support your mental health and overall well-being. Remember, small changes in your diet can have a profound impact on your emotional health. So start today by choosing wisely and nourishing your mind and body. Number 5, excessive caffeine intake. You might be wondering, is it really possible to consume too much of this beloved beverage? Well, the answer is yes. In fact, excessive caffeine intake has been linked to a host of unpleasant side effects that can take a toll on your mental well-being. From increased anxiety and insomnia to tremors and even panic attacks, the consequences of going overboard with caffeine can be far from delightful. Let us dive into the science behind why too much caffeine can wreak havoc on your mind and body. Caffeine, the stimulant found in coffee, tea, soda, and certain medications, acts by blocking a neurotransmitter called adenosine. Adenosine is responsible for promoting relaxation and sleepiness. By inhibiting its effects, caffeine gives you a boost of energy and alertness. However, this comes at a cost. When you consume large amounts of caffeine, you're essentially blocking the action of adenosine, which can disrupt the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in your brain. This imbalance can lead to heightened feelings of anxiety, restlessness, and nervousness. Furthermore, excessive caffeine intake can interfere with your sleep patterns, leading to insomnia. Caffeine has a half-life of 5 to 7 hours, meaning that it can still be present in your system after the desired effects have worn off. This can cause sleep disturbances, making it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep throughout the night. As a result, you might experience fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating the following day. Number 4, alcohol. Alcohol, a substance that has been part of human culture for centuries, is often seen as a way to unwind, socialize, and alleviate stress. However, what if I told you that this seemingly innocent drink could have detrimental effects on your mental well-being? Well, the truth is alcohol consumption can significantly contribute to anxiety and depression, both in the short and long term. Let's explore the complex relationship between alcohol and your mental health. Initially, alcohol might appear to have a calming effect, reducing inhibitions and creating a sense of relaxation. This is due to its impact on a neurotransmitter called GABA, which promotes calmness and reduces anxiety. However, as the effects of alcohol progress, the consequences become less desirable. As more alcohol is consumed, its depressant effects start to kick in. This means that alcohol begins to slow down the activity of the central nervous system, leading to impaired coordination, slurred speech, and even memory blackouts. These physical symptoms can be concerning and even frightening, contributing to feelings of anxiety and panic. Moreover, alcohol can interfere with the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in the brain, including those responsible for mood regulation. One such neurotransmitter is serotonin, which plays a crucial role in maintaining happiness and well-being. Alcohol disrupts the production and availability of serotonin, leading to a range of emotional and psychological issues. People who consume alcohol to self-medicate or cope with existing anxiety or depression symptoms may find that their mental health deteriorates as a result. Over time, heavy and prolonged alcohol use can lead to the development of full-blown alcohol use disorder, characterized by an inability to control alcohol consumption despite negative consequences. Number 3. Refined and processed oils. You might be thinking, what's so harmful about these widely used oils? After all, they're a staple in many kitchens worldwide. Well, the problem lies in the way these oils are processed and the types of fats they contain. Let us break down the key issues surrounding refined and processed oils and their potential impact on your mental health. First and foremost, the processing methods employed in the production of these oils often involve the use of harsh chemicals and high temperatures. This can alter the nutritional content and introduce harmful substances that are detrimental to your health. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining optimal brain function and reducing inflammation. By replacing these essential fats with unhealthy alternatives, you deprive your body of the necessary nutrients to support proper brain function and increase inflammation. Trans fats, which are often created through the hydrogenation process, are another cause for concern. These artificially created fats have been shown to have negative effects on brain health and have been linked to increased inflammation. Additionally, the excessive consumption of processed oils, particularly those high in saturated fats, has been associated with an increased risk of heart disease and diabetes. By damaging your cardiovascular system, these oils indirectly impact your mental well-being by reducing blood flow to the brain and increasing the risk of stroke and dementia. Number 2, excessive screen time and sleep deprivation. We live in an era where technology and convenience are at our fingertips. However, with the rise of smartphones, computers, and other digital devices, a new challenge has emerged: excessive screen time. Spending an inordinate amount of time in front of screens has become a common habit for many of us. But what does science say about the impact of this modern-day phenomenon on our mental health? Well, it turns out that too much screen time can have a detrimental effect on our mental well-being. One major concern is the impact of blue light emitted from screens. This blue light can interfere with the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. By exposing ourselves to excessive screen time, especially before bedtime, we disrupt our natural circadian rhythm, leading to difficulty falling asleep and staying asleep. Sleep deprivation, whether caused by screen time or other factors, can have severe consequences on our mental health. Lack of sleep can trigger or worsen anxiety and depression symptoms. It can lead to heightened feelings of irritability, emotional instability, and a decreased ability to cope with stress. Moreover, the constant stimulation and distractions provided by social media and other online platforms can overstimulate our brains, leading to a state of chronic stress. This overstimulation can overwhelm our nervous systems, making it challenging to relax and unwind, further contributing to anxiety. Number 1. High consumption of junk and fast foods. In today's fast-paced world, it's all too easy to succumb to the temptation of junk and fast foods. These culinary delights, with their convenient packaging and mouth-watering flavors, have become a staple of modern life. But have you ever stopped to think about the potential impact these foods might have on your mental well-being? Well, it's time to uncover the hidden consequences of relying too heavily on these tasty yet potentially harmful treats. One major concern with junk and fast foods is their nutritional content or lack thereof. These foods are typically high in unhealthy fats, trans fats, refined carbohydrates, and added sugars, while being deficient in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Such a poor nutritional profile can lead to an imbalance of neurotransmitters in the brain, affecting mood regulation and increasing the risk of depression and anxiety. Research has shown that consuming fast food frequently can have detrimental effects on brain health. These foods are often high in sodium, which can increase blood pressure and contribute to vascular problems, including stroke. Elevated blood pressure can also lead to damage in small blood vessels in the brain, impairing its overall function. Moreover, the high levels of saturated and trans fats present in junk and fast foods can promote inflammation in the body, including the brain. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various mental health issues, making it another concern in the context of consuming these foods. By prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, you provide your body and mind with the necessary nutrients to thrive. Remember, knowledge is power, and every informed choice you make contributes to a better mental well-being. Thank you for watching and subscribing. See you next time.